How can I stop my CPAP machine from making noise? Imagine trying to sleep peacefully, but your CPAP machine keeps making sounds that wake you up. It can be frustrating, but don't worry. There are simple ways to quiet your machine and improve your sleep. First, check your mask fit. A mask that fits well creates a good seal and stops air leaks that cause noise. Make sure the straps are snug but not too tight. If your mask feels uncomfortable or leaks air, try a different size or style. Nasal pillows are usually quieter than full-face masks because they have fewer parts and less airflow noise. Next, think about where you place your CPAP machine. Keep it on a low table or a sturdy surface below ear level. Avoid putting it on the floor or on a soft surface like a bed or carpet. This helps reduce the sound that travels to your ears. Point the vents away from your sleeping area to prevent noise from blowing directly at you. Regular cleaning is very important. Clean your filters every 1 to 3 months and replace them if they look dirty or clogged. Check your tubing and mask cushions weekly for cracks or damage. Damaged parts can rattle or leak, making more noise. Tighten any loose screws or parts to stop vibrations. If your machine has a heated hose, use it. It reduces condensation inside the tube, which can cause gurgling or dripping sounds. Placing the machine on a soft surface like a towel or foam pad can absorb vibrations and make it quieter. If noise still bothers you, try using earplugs or noise-canceling headphones. A white noise machine or a fan can also mask the sound from your CPAP. These devices create a steady background noise that helps you sleep better. Adjusting your airflow settings might help, but talk to your healthcare provider first. They can guide you on changing pressure levels without compromising your sleep therapy. In summary, fixing noise from your CPAP involves making sure your mask fits well, placing the machine properly, keeping it clean, and using sound masking tools if needed. These steps can make your therapy more comfortable and help you stick with it longer.